Hi, my name is Liam Fitzgerald and I welcome you to this video. I am the drummer for Dara Eaton and the Patsies, and I also play drums with Dead Alien Tourist and the John Christina Trio. Right now I am using the Collision Drumsticks 5A series, as you can see. One of the things I like about this brand is that as you can see, there's the customization option. Adds a bit of personalization to each stick. As you can see there, I have my name etched in them, and a nice little logo, and it's very well done, very well etched in. Actually, you have to appreciate the craftsmanship of it. It's very well done. These are the standard 5A model. They are a little longer actually than your regular 5A, which is something I like. They're, I think, 16.5 inches in length, and they're 0.57 in diameter. I think it's 0.57 there, so they're a bit longer and a little thicker than your typical 5A stick, and I like that, So it's not too heavy, and it's not too thin either, And also the added length means I don't have to reach forward. I can just flow around the kit a lot more, Another thing I actually really like about these drumsticks is they are durable. They are durable as hell. Although this is a fresh pack, or a fresh set rather, these ones are not. As you can see, these have been through the wars. These are also 5As and have a different logo etched into them, but as you can see, they've been through the wars and they're still holding up. And I have many other Collision sticks actually in my little stick bucket down there that hold up and are still holding up, and it is quite incredible. I love it that obviously the personalization and the durability. The durability of them. Nobody wants their drumstick to break, obviously mid gig. And yeah, the personalization just makes it's a little bit more unique and personal, and again, it looks great, with the name and logo on them. What I like about the brand itself is the sense of community that comes with it. There's a lot of drummers there's a lot of people that use Collision drumsticks, and I like that Collision is actually willing to reach out and help drummers branch out, and join in their community and actually get, they can talk to other drummers and learn who is who and what they're all about. I think that's really cool. There's not a lot of there's not a lot of sticks out there that are stick companies that would be willing to put themselves towards the drummer first, at least in my experience anyway. So yeah, just to recap that bit, I like the personalization of the drumsticks themselves with the name and logo. I like the durability, and I like the sense of community that comes with the brand. The song that you are going to hear me play, or that you're going to see me play, is a song of the latest Dara Eaton and the Patsies album, Jack in the Sky. I have a physical copy of the album here. It is also available on Spotify. And the song that I'm going to play for you is a track called Pioneer, which, as I said, is available on Spotify. You can also hear the song on YouTube, and you'll hear me play it now in a moment. So, without further ado, let's get on to the tune.
Here comes Pioneer, no fear, you know your evening's safe from him. Mounted top is tallest seas, too far away to drink him in. But from his tower, most every hour there's a call he feels within. And when he mingles, it only brings about temptation to give in. Like when he's fighting to find the feeling, or when the guy to his side is reeling. He certainly wouldn't mind to ride himself. And while he turns a blind eye and leaves it, the times it looks so divine he sees it, but tries believing his life and health are better off exempt from it. He's known as some and praised by all and quite afraid of alcohol, 'cause falling from that height must be immense. He's often sought for things forgotten, apple tree and whiskey shots, but caught off that he might come off intense. And when he's lonesome, all on his own, some kind of crying cries within. And though he hears it, he doesn't fear it, 'cause the strength still lies with him. But when he's fighting to find the feeling, or when the guy to his side is reeling, he certainly wouldn't mind to ride himself. And while he turns a blind eye and leaves it, the times that look so divine he sees it, but tries believing his life and health are better off exempt from it. But when he's caught in the grind he needs it. He's trading tennis for time and feels it. The kind of guy you decide to leave your keys and all your money with, and if he finds the time to unwind some evening, not you or I will go right to see it, 'cause he was never inclined to let you hear what's not the funny bit. So what if it's unconventional, oh so unconventional, but still the best way of preventing intervention. His intentions aren't clear, but he'll still be your peer. He'll probably go home soon, so just stop when he's here. Pioneer puts his words in your ear. Could